Honorable Chancellor and Governor of Chhattisgarh, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, Government of Chhattisgarh, Honorable Vice Chancellors, Deans, Director, Professor, Delegates, and dear students. First, I congratulate all of you on 36th Foundation Day of our university. I, Dr. V.K. Jaiswal, Dean, RMD College of Agriculture, Ambikapur, would like to present research achievement and emerging issues of Northern Hilly region of Chhattisgarh. The altitude of Northern Hill zone of Chhattisgarh ranges from 293 meters to 1200 meters above mean sea level. Northern Hill zone of Chhattisgarh comprises of five districts: Jaspur, Balrampur, Ramanujganj, Korea, Surajpur and Sarguja, having four agriculture colleges, three constituent, one affiliated, one horticulture college, five ABKs, and one potato temperate horticulture research station. The total geographical area of Northern Hill Zone is 19.25 lakh hectare. The forest area is about 25% and 48% cultivated area. The land topography is almost rolling with steep slope varying from 0.3% to 30%. Major crops of the region are rice, maize, pigeon pea, groundnut, black gram, horse gram, Niger, wheat, sugarcane, potato, and horticultural crops. The zone was blessed with regional agriculture research station on 6th March 1982 at Ambikapur, which was further upgraded as zonal agriculture research station on IGKV Foundation Day, that is 20th January 1987. In God, the status of College of Agriculture and Research Station in the name of Padma Shri Mata Rajmoni Devi on dated 20th September 2001. We have three All India coordinated research projects on maize, potential crop, and honeybee, and also two voluntary centers of ECRIP on wheat and fruit crops, along with Gramin Krishi Mausam Seva for weather-based agro advisory. During last 2 years, we have released two varieties of potential crop, Indra Winged Bean 2 and Indra Pakoda 2, and two varieties of maize, CG Makka Cherry 1 as fodder and CG Ageti Sankar Makka 1 for grain purpose. We have successfully standardized optimum dose of gamma radiation for induction of mutation in spine guard. Through induced mutation we got monoecious plant in which both male and female flowers are present in same plant. Through induced mutation we also got bisexual flower in spine guard. We also developed microsatellite marker for spine guard. Utilizing microsatellite marker, we are now in position to identify male and female plants at early stage. Previously, propagation of spine guard was only possible through seed and tubers, which was having very low germination percentage. We have developed method to propagate spine guard through stem cutting. The slide shows the mass multiplication of spine guard through stem cutting. In last 2 years, we have produced and supplied 15,000 sapling of spine guard throughout India. In maize crop, we have obtained significant grain yield with weed management practices after pre-emergence application of atrazine followed by topramazone at 25 days of sowing. Maximum system productivity was obtained with intercropping of maize cowpea 2:2, paired row followed by maize cowpea 1:1, and at the same time minimum damage by fall armyworm was obtained with maize groundnut 1:1 followed by maize groundnut 2:2. From pollination study, it was observed that five species of honeybee visited and the flower of lychee, broccoli, pigeon pea, and spine gourd, out of which visit of Apis mellifera was maximum in all of the crops. The peak visit intensity was recorded during morning hour for lychee, broccoli, and spine gourd, and during noon hours in pigeon pea. These are five different species of honeybee and two other pollinators recorded in this region. The major natural enemies, enemies of honeybee are three species of wasp, waxmoth, and predatory birds like black drongo and green bee eater. There are 56 different flower of pollen slides from which honeybees collect pollen. We have vast collection of germ plant in different horticulture fruit crops. We also produce around 8,000 sapling of these crop and distributed to the farmer in last 2 years, and also 15,000 sapling of spine gourd is also distributed among the farmers. During Kharif season in part area, potato variety Kufri Jyoti gave highest yield followed by Kufri Himalini. Similarly, during Rabi season in part area, highest yield was recorded in potato variety Kufri Mohan followed by Kufri Chepsena 1. Further, it was observed that early Grandi variety of peach and Satluj purple variety of plum gave highest yield. Similarly, Anna and Gibson golden low chilies varieties of apple are most recommended for pot area, that is main part, Sanna part, Joka part, Lasun part, Samri part, Jamari, Jamira part, and some small part area of Sonhat block of Korea districts. Some emerging issues of northern hill area are as lack of irrigation facility. Only about 14% area is presently irrigated in northern hill regions. Secondly, issue is need a processing unit for processing of buckwheat, maize, jackfruit, potato, and tomato for doubling the income of farmers. Third issue is low mechanization level and shortage of labor due to mines area. And the other issues like farmers are facing severe threatening to their agriculture produce because of wild animal, especially elephant and bears. Now, some probable solution is given for the more emphasis should be given to drip irrigation, cum fertigation, and sprinkler irrigation, along with construction of ponds, check dam, and canal, and facilitating solar pump to farmers of remote villages. Secondly, processing unit can be established for preparation of value-added product from these crop like buckwheat, maize, jackfruit, potato, and tomato also. Another probable solution of custom hiring center can be established by government at panchayat level, and attention of forest department is to be drawn to manage these wild animal and also for reducing wild animal human conflict. Thank you very much.